Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're logged in and ready. Open the desktop or web app because you need full search tools. Once open, click the global search bar at the top left and switch the filter to direct messages. Type a unique keyword, username, or exact phrase from the conversation to narrow results quickly. Make sure to include quotes for exact matches. If you have many results, add a date or from username to reduce noise and surface older threads faster. Once you see initial results, refine them with modifiers. From username to limit sender, has, link or has, image to find media and before or after, dates to target time ranges. Then open promising results and use your browser or app's control or CMD+F to search within the conversation view for exact lines. If you plan to keep messages, copy and paste into a text file or take screenshots right away. Make sure to save with timestamps for reference and legal clarity. If you can't find older messages, confirm the other account still exists and wasn't deleted or blocked. Deleted accounts remove DM visibility. Request your Discord data export from Settings Privacy and Safety to get a server and message log. This can take days, so be patient. Also try another device or the web client to rule out client caching issues. If problems persist, verify account credentials and two-factor. Then contact support with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.